Hello traders, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2026, and I'll be going over today's price action. Today was a pretty quick day. I was done within the first 25 minutes of market open, and just took one quick little trade for 55 points. So let's get straight into it. So on the higher time frame, I didn't really have a bias going into the day as we had a 4 hour gap below and above price. So I was kind of just waiting to see what happened and react to price off market open. So if we drop down to the 1 minute time frame, let's look at the trade that I took. Let me just replay market open real quick. So off market open, we immediately dump to the downside. We retrace a little bit and then continue to dump. This is where I started getting interested. I marked out this 5 minute gap to maybe retrace into, to then trade lower towards this London low sitting right on this 4 hour gap. But as you can see, price never came back and tapped this 5 minute. But what it did do is it tapped the 1 minute on this leg and continued lower. Now, I usually don't take continuations off of 1 minute gaps. It's usually off 5 or 15 minutes. But because the sell pressure was so heavy, I felt like it had enough juice to react off a 1 minute gap as it did here. So I waited for the next 1 minute gap to be formed, which was here. And then price tapped into it, and I got in down here at 392. Stops above this 1 minute gap, and then TP at this London low. Another reason that I was okay with taking this trade off the 1 minute continuation is, I mean, it's a cheap trade, right? It's 22 points. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out for like 150, maybe $200. Like, it's nothing crazy. So took the trade here. Price comes down. I take break even down here. There's no really rhyme or reason, only that it's 30 points in profit, which is something that I've back tested and realized works for me, is placing my break even 30 points ahead of price. So I did that here, and then my full TP down in London low eventually gets smacked. So this is a quick trade. I made I believe 340 on the day, 25 minutes in the market open. I'm usually not done this quickly, but when these days do happen, it feels good. So overall, not a bad trade. I'm happy with it. So that is the trade recap for the day. It is a quick one. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you have any tips for me as well, drop them in the comments. And I will see you in the next trade recap. Peace.